In this video, you'll learn how to create a Notion template using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you will be able to generate a customized template that suits your needs efficiently. Begin by navigating to the website Notion.so in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage where you can log in or create an account if necessary. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. After logging in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the gear icon labeled Settings. This action will direct you to your account settings, where you can manage various preferences related to your Notion workspace. Within the settings menu, find and click on the Connections option. This section allows you to manage integrations with other applications, including ChatGPT, which is essential for generating your template. Next, look for the Notion MCP option in the Connections list. Once you find it, click on it and then select the Explore button that appears. This will take you to the area where you can connect with various tools and features available for your Notion workspace. Now, click on the ChatGPT integration. This step connects you to the ChatGPT interface, enabling you to start creating your template. You should see a blank space or a chat interface after this action. After accessing the ChatGPT interface, click on the blank space where you can type your request. This is where you will instruct ChatGPT to generate a template. Next, click on the type bar at the bottom of the ChatGPT interface. This will allow you to enter your command for template creation. Ensure that your command is cleared and specific to get the best results. Type in the phrase, "Make a template for Notion," and then press the Enter key. This action sends your request to ChatGPT, prompting it to generate a template based on your input. After a moment, ChatGPT will respond with a suggested template. Click on the type bar again to input further instructions. This is where you can refine your template request based on your specific needs. Type in a specific example, such as daily planner, to get a tailored template suggestion. Once you've entered your request, click Enter to submit it. ChatGPT will process this and provide you with a relevant template. Once the template suggestion appears, look for the copy option and click on it. This action will copy the template to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it into Notion later. Now return to the Notion dashboard by navigating back to Notion.so. Ensure you are in the workspace where you want to add the new template. In your Notion workspace, locate the option to add a new page. Click on the plus new page button, which is usually found in the sidebar. This will create a new page where you can paste your template. After creating the new page, click on a blank space within this page to ensure your cursor is active and ready for input. This step prepares the page for pasting the copy template. Type in or right-click and select Paste to insert the template you copied from ChatGPT. Your new template will now appear on the Notion page. Take a moment to review it and make any necessary adjustments to suit your preferences. Once the template is pasted, you will see it displayed on your Notion page, confirming that the copy process was successful. You can now utilize this template for your personal or professional organization needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.